scammer girl. We live in a Maryland. If me know your address, me call it out. We have the Jamaica grocery store. You're a scammer. Go to the court. Me, Master Campbell, say that. You is a thief and you is a scammer. Go to the court tomorrow morning. If you give me a government name, me call it too. And this life not going to move. So carry it with you. Carry it for tell you say something wrong. That is a thieving move. Go to court, please. Me live in Howard County.
And I collect money. You know, have a registered charity or registered non-profit organization. That you
come back. I may come back out later. Anytime.
Government no do not about it. No, this is Uncle Sam country. Uncle Sam country you there.
Are you why your name go out wide and clear? I come out, Mitchie. Me play the girl. Scamming me here at take place.
Of course, I got me here too.
Thief and scamming. So and I said what I said.
She depend the live on the top, but she not play the girl voice or only her voice. Why you can't play with the girl say? Why?
You're a wicked woman. And when I speak in tongue, you don't have no heart. No God not there where you're there. No God not in your dwelling. You know why? This is a video I'm going to show you it, people. I'm post it. Because after let me really go. I'm going to go hunt and find some video. And when I speak in tongue, you don't have no heart. No God not there where you're there. No God not in your dwelling. You know why? This is a video I'm going to show you it, people. I'm going to post it. Because after she come at me, I'm going to say, let me really go. I'm going to go hunt and find some video. Jamrock Goody is a wicked woman, people. Even if she did get $10 million, our God were in her, should I tell herself to give it to these people? I'm going to play the video, I post it. Even if she did get $10 million, look what she said, God tell herself in no trust. Oh God, I seen this. No lady says she's not begging for herself. She looking the help for her sister. No, me not do charity, but me think me that share it. Me can send $150, me send it. You understand? A people like them, a people like them, you help. And you say you get the money and you never want to buy the food, give them. You shouldn't even buy food. You should have give them the cash. Because she said she'll take care of her sister from...
You have a big platform. You're a thief. Not criminal.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Lord. Why I tell you,
good morning, guys. Good morning.
All right, Miss, big up yourself, sis. Let me write down Fips, name Fips. Write down Fips.
You see how them do it? You see how them do it right here? You see the game? Look.
Janet, yes, Janet.
When people...
I did say that, Janet. Janet Sinclair, I saw your name. Janet Sinclair, I saw your name too. And I think I saw the amount. But when I'm handing over the goods and everything over here, my program, I don't want to. All right?
Shut up. Me no want to see you. Shut up. Me no want to see you.
People them send, donate things, you know. Donate money. We for buy the stuff them for bread. And then, two, I wasn't present at the moment for collect the pampers them because I'm gone for the work and deal my family emergency. You see me as I'm rich, I tell the lady that. And she said she can't wait because the tax man now wait. So I say, alright, who are the best person for collect the stuff now? And I say, alright, I draw for my neighbor, I see my neighbor number on my phone, so I draw for she. And she said she dey home, so she will collect them. The lady collect the pampers them. She said she have to take a picture with her for sure so she deliver the pampers. So my neighbor goes up. One baby mother, she pregnant, so about for her baby. She goes and cover up her face. So I must have belly see, along with the pampers in her hand. The woman go back and tell the woman, say no. She say her sister. But tell the lady say, oh much, something I feel right so. When I feel right. The neighbor owning a business, the man owning a business, I'm say there say give she because I'm not there at the moment now. And them take back one of the blessings them when the people them saying. But now, but I get a TV, the clothes,
All right, guys. What she knows say, the scammer take back the money and everything from the girl. Is it right? That's why I tell her, say, trust the game of greed. People is so greedy. Money with them and then feel say the girl not forget the money. She come on her life, I beg money, blah, 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 blah. And you see what happened? God opened them.
And
Listen.
now I get the food. Get the pampers them yesterday. Only pampers them and I say,
Where's the money?
2,000 US. The lady saying, people from all over send. On fair platform, you know, people
And she
them
don't
send
get
money,
it.
you know, to buy this and buy that, but it's too much. It's like it's too much for Brick get it alone. So like she say, no man, you can't give she so much things. We have to go share it. That she has up on the live out of fair own clean out, you know. And me I say, then the woman not easy. Then all the people in this for. She have a lot of people. She have a lot of people on her list from in December, she said, where needed some help and nobody never really sent no money for them. And as me come on, a whole heap of money start send. And people them like Brick and people them gravitate to and them send things here. The people them send the money to buy the TV and the clothes, you know. The woman make sure draw allegation. Me want to share it over there again, you know. Me have the voice note to where you send me lady. Yes. Woman of God. I'm not disrespect you, because I appreciate every highlight you give me and the pampers. And the 12 pack of pampers them where you're saying give me. I appreciate them. Trust me. Really, I do appreciate them. So I'm not say, you don't do nothing. But you have to give bread, the things them where the people
Sierra. I see that. I see this. Them a criminal. Criminal.
You have to tell the people them say, something not so feel right. I mean, I follow my instinct. Something not feel right.
You see it? More help. More help.
Buy the clothes them, buy the TV, buy the food for Brick and you go hold on for it, they want to send the pampers alone. You don't see that wait for something, just a little error for your cancer, alright, yeah man, because you don't plan from Sunday already, you know. And I eat it this year talk, yeah? And I eat it this year talk too. She done plan it on Sunday, say, alright, that money is too much, 2,000 US, in a one go. So yes, I'm not going to make sure you get the whole of this. Nah, make Brick get the whole of this. So I'm just dying for the sister, make an error or something. I just want, she not did it, could have called it the pamper so I can tell the people themselves this and turn it all upon me, she turn it back upon me, the people. Make it look like some of the worst and I wasn't.
Watch her now, watch her now.
The lady called me, definitely must have been there and station, you know. Right? The lady called me, she actually reached into my yard and she said to me, say,